Hello everyone, a bit shorter of a video this week. I hit my arm and it kinda hurts to lean it on the tablet, so I'm gonna let it rest a bit. I did get all 4 of Cloudtail's siblings done though. Another batch of Suzanne characters. I don't even think they had descriptions for backstories or personalities at all. But canon's an illusion, and they're on the family tree on the website, so I'm keeping them. First up is Taylor, who I imagined as being very similar to Princess. I think of her as the type of cat who's very loyal to her owner, who I imagine to be a little kid. She would very easily compare her relationship with her 2 legs to the relationship that clan cats have with each other, kind of like Shanty in Pine Star's Choice. Next up is Livy. I may not remember much about these characters, but I remember them being color points, and I don't think we have enough color points in Warriors, so I'm going to stick with that. Livy got the Firestar energy. She runs around Two Leg Place making lots of friends and loving life. But when it actually came down to it, I don't think she or really any of her siblings would be willing to do much hunting or fighting. Just not their thing. I wanted her to have kind of a kitty pet squirrel flight type of look to her, and an energetic pose to reflect that. Next up is Nami. I wanted to draw a cat wearing a harness, so I came up with the idea of Nami being the type of cat who really wants to go outside, but her owners are responsible and want to keep her inside. With all of her escape attempts, they decided to start trying to walk her, but she hates this even more. She talks a big talk about wanting to be free, but again, I don't think she'd actually be down for any hunting or fighting. Doesn't stop her from making a big fuss over having to wear the harness, though. She looks kind of like a graham cracker with exploded marshmallow all over her. Lastly is Zack, the other cat I made a color point. They actually have what look like they're supposed to be color point markings on the family tree. Anyway, Zack lives with Philo, but couldn't be any more different. They have a cat door, but he constantly forgets that it's there. When he does remember, he goes to visit Princess, and she tells him news about Firestar and Cloudtail, who he's never been around to actually meet. He thinks these stories, and the stories that Philo comes home and tells, are pretty cool, and he remembers them pretty well too. I imagine as he gets older, he hangs outside more often, and will tell these stories to passing by cats. That's all I've got for this week. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like these designs and want to see more of them, I make a new speed paint every week, and all of these designs can be found on my Twitter and my Tumblr in the links below. We're getting to the end of the characters that make their first appearance in Fire and Ice, and after that it will be Forest of Secrets. So like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of those, and I will see you next week. Bye!